Hello and welcome back to the another video on Power Automate Desktop. I'm Dinuji Loganathan and today we are going to see how to complete RPA challenge in 10 minutes using Power Automate Desktop with AI recorder functionality. Hope everyone aware of the RPA challenge website. So for every each submission, all the text box position will be changed, and also the ID and name of the text box is also changed. Okay, I will quickly show. So this is our first name text boxes. So it is showing IDKN G5V, right? And the name also it is showing the same name as like ID. So if I do the refresh, you can see the name will be changed now. Now it is showing URESA. Okay. So I'm going to develop the Power Automate Desktop flow. To read the Excel data from this Excel file, which contains the first name, last name, company, role in company, and address and email and phone number. So I want to read all that Excel file data, then I want to transfer into this form and click submit for each submission for each rows. Okay, so this is my use case. I'm going to leverage Power Automate Desktop AI Recorder for the same. Already we have downloaded Excel file here. Okay, so I'm just opening the Power Automate Desktop and click on the start button now. So I'm going to record now and I will give the instruction to the my Copilot. Okay, now you can see the one pop-up will activate here and it shows the new recording. Okay, I will click the new recording. Before that I will turn on the stopwatch as well. Okay, I will reset, I will start. Let's see how long will take to develop this bot. Okay, I click next now.
Speak normally and include details about
It
what you're
gives some
doing as you are
instruction.
doing it.
I click record
Use your
now.
mouse and move between screens or apps like you know.
I want to take all the data from this Excel file and click start button on the RPA challenge website. Then transfer all Excel data into this web form. After each row, click the submit button. After each row, click submit button. So I gave the instruction to my Copilot. I click done now. Then it will take some time to analyze my audio and also the my mouse clicks or mouse movement, etc. Then it will generate the or the equivalent action to automate the instructed process. Okay, so during that time let's check what is the ID of the first name and last name. You can see here the ID now it shows DRW D7. Okay, so if you go with the static selector it will not work out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this ng reflect name for my selector. Okay, so likewise parallelly I will take a note of all selector name. So this is for first name, fine, and last name. Then also I will take address, ng reflect name, phone number, role in company. Okay, fine. Now we got our flow. So Copilot analyzed our instruction and it generated, the equivalent desktop flow code. Okay, so let's quickly go through that. It will launch the Excel challenge Excel file, and it will read the all the rows available in that Excel file. Then also it launch RPA challenge website. Then it click the start button, and also it will populate all the text from the current row. Once all it will fill all the text boxes, then it click the submit button. It looks good. I will quickly check. I will run this flow now. I will add one breakpoint also. Okay, I need to change the Excel file. I will point out the right Excel path. So all that is already downloaded. I I have mentioned the right path now. Okay, this is looks good. I will rerun again. Okay, it is launching the Excel file. Now it is launching the Edge browser. And also it click the start button. Now I will move this code, execute the 14th line. Okay, it start filling the information from the Excel file. So as I mentioned previously, that RPA challenger, IDs differ from each iteration, right? So we need to slightly adjust the selectors now. So what I will do, I will close this and stop this flow. Let me continue where we left. So the phone number we already noted. Role, I will check the role now. First name, last name, address. Now I will take the email ID and sorry. And also I will take company name ng reflect ID. Okay. So what I will do, I will quickly go and edit the selector. So this is for the first name. I will replace this with ng reflect name. Okay. I click save now. Let's execute. Now let's check whether it is filled the information rightly or not. Yes. So it is filling the information rightly at the first name text box. Okay, so I will go ahead and follow the same approach for other text boxes as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will open the last name as well. Then I will edit the selector. Then I will replace the last label name for last name. I click save. Similarly, I will do for the company name. Similarly, I am going to do for role in company text box. Now 3 text boxes is left. I am quickly changing for them as well. So this is for address. Okay, so address, I'm just copy pasting ng reflect name here. Two more text boxes is there. And finally we are going to update for phone number as well. So phone number, okay, all done. Let's check for submit button as well. The ID is static or it's dynamic, or okay, so it looks static only. I think we are fine. I will close the existing browser and I'm going to run the flow now, and the meanwhile I'm going to close all my existing Excel file as well. Okay, it is still saving. I'm going to run now. Okay, click the start button and started filling the information. Okay, perfect. It is filling the right information, the right text boxes for the first row. For second also it filled correctly. Now I will stop my watch. So we created, our Power Automate desktop flow, and also we completed less than 10 minutes and completed our RPA challenge. Okay, perfect. So congratulations, your success rate is 100%. So I just gave the instruction to the Copilot AI recorder where it will observe our instruction in the audio format. Then it will analyze our all your instruction. Then it will convert our instruction in the desktop flow. So we easily created our desktop flow with less than 10 minutes. And you also please try and provide your feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.